Welcome to Car Update. Today we are taking a detailed look at the 2026 new Toyota Hilux, a pickup truck that continues to define toughness, reliability, and modern versatility. The Hilux has built a legendary reputation across the globe, and the 2026 model takes this legacy even further with updated design, advanced technology, and improved performance. Whether you use it for work, adventure, or daily driving, the new Hilux promises to deliver on every front. The 2026 Toyota Hilux features a bold and muscular exterior that instantly communicates strength. The front fascia has been refreshed with a more aggressive grille design, sharper LED headlights, and a redesigned bumper that improves both style and aerodynamics. The hood looks stronger and more sculpted, giving the truck a commanding road presence. Along the sides, pronounced character, lines, and rugged wheel arches enhance its off-road ready stance. At the rear, updated LED taillights and a redesigned tailgate complete the modern yet tough look. Overall, the new Hilux balances rugged pickup styling with a refined, modern edge. Step inside the 2026 Hilux and you will notice a significant upgrade in comfort and quality. Toyota has focused on creating a more premium cabin while maintaining durability. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with improved materials and soft-touch surfaces in key areas. The seats offer better cushioning and support, making long drives more comfortable. Rear passengers also benefit from increased legroom and improved seating comfort. Practical storage spaces throughout the cabin ensure that tools, gadgets, and personal items are always within reach. Technology is a major highlight of the 2026 Toyota Hilux. A larger touchscreen infotainment system takes center stage, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto for seamless smartphone integration. The system is faster and more intuitive, providing easy access to navigation, music, and vehicle settings. A digital instrument, cluster, or upgraded multi-information display gives the driver clear and customizable driving information. Additional features like wireless charging, multiple USB ports, and enhanced audio options make the Hilux feel more modern and connected than ever before. Under the hood, the 2026 Hilux continues to offer powerful and reliable engine options. Depending on the market, buyers can expect refined diesel engines with improved efficiency and lower emissions. Toyota has focused on delivering stronger, low-end torque, which is essential for towing, hauling, and off-road driving. The suspension setup has been fine-tuned to provide better ride comfort on highways while maintaining excellent off-road capability. Whether you are driving through city streets, highways, or rough terrain, the new Hilux remains stable, responsive, and confident. The Toyota Hilux has always been known for its off-road strength, and the 2026 model is no exception. With high ground clearance, a robust ladder frame chassis, and advanced four-wheel drive systems, the Hilux is built to conquer challenging environments. Features such as hill descent control, traction control modes, and differential locks help the truck perform with ease on sand, mud, and rocky trails. This makes the new Hilux an ideal companion for adventure lovers and professionals working in demanding conditions. Safety is another area where the 2026 Hilux shows major improvements. Toyota Safety Sense is expected to be standard or widely available, offering features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. The strong body structure and multiple airbags provide added protection for all occupants. These safety upgrades make the Hilux not only tough, but also smart and secure. In conclusion, the 2026 new Toyota Hilux continues to set the benchmark in the pickup truck segment. With its refreshed design, upgraded interior, advanced technology, strong performance, and legendary durability, it remains one of the most dependable trucks on the market. Whether for work or adventure, the Hilux is built to handle it all. Thanks for watching Car Update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more premium automotive content.